My dear viewers, today discuss for the chapter Carbon and its compound based on icse class set. Carbon is the fourth most abundant element in the universe and the 14th most abundant element in the earth crust. Okay, the name of the carbon comes from the Latin word. Okay, that is the Latin words carbo meaning coal. It is present in the all living things like human beings, plants, animals, and even in non-living things like wood, petroleum, coal, natural gas, and plastics. Due to its chemical nature, carbon form various compound with the other element. Okay, it is a non-metal and is represented by the symbol C. Okay, that is the valency denoted by 4. Okay, carbon exists both in the free state and in the combined state in nature. Diamond, graphite, and coal are the free form of carbon. In the combined form, carbon exists as the compound such as carbon dioxide, cellulose, carbohydrate, protein, fat, petroleum, and natural gas. Carbon exists two types of allotropic form, that is crystalline form and amorphous form. Okay, carbon atoms are arranged in the definite representation order in the crystalline form of carbon. That is the order, disorder, not a disorder, that is the order. In the amorphous form, carbon form are not arranged in any definite order. Diamond is the hardest natural occurring substance on earth. Naturally, diamonds are produced from the carbon under high pressure, okay, and high temperature deep below the earth's surface. Fullerene is a crystalline form of carbon containing a large number of carbon atoms, that is the total number of carbon 60, that is the symbol C16. Okay, the arrange carbon atom arranged in the form of hexagonal or pentagonal ring. Okay, the structure of fullerene. Carbon dioxide is obtained when marble chips react with dilute hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Carbon monoxide is a good reagent. Okay, please, my dear viewers, please show the screen with the question answer only for the objective types. First question type, write T for true and F for false. Question number 1, carbon exists only in the combined state. In nature, this statement false. Next question, sulfur exhibits allotropy. This statement true. Next question, diamonds are used in the manufacture of high pressure thermometers. This statement true. Next question, the structure of black Mr. Florence appeared to be in the form of a soccer ball. This statement is true. Next question, graphite is used as a semiconductor. This statement false. The next question number 6. Carbohydrates are combined form of carbon. This statement true. Next question, carbon exists in two allotropic form. This statement true. Next question, coke is also called as carbon black. This statement false. Next question number 9, graphite is a poor conductor of electricity. This statement false. Next question number 10, carbon monoxide prevents the blood from carrying oxygen in the body. This statement true. Next question number 11, wood charcoal can float on water. This statement true. Okay, my dear viewers. Next question, ivory black is used as a black pigment in paintings. This statement true. Okay. Next question type, fill in the blanks. Okay. First question, carbon dioxide has a sour taste because of its dash nature, that is acidic. Next question, question number 2, carbon monoxide is a dash oxide, that is neutral oxide. Okay. Next question, question number 3, carbon monoxide is a dash gas, that is toxic gas, that is acidic gas. Okay. Next question, asphyxia is a medical condition in which body does not get enough dash, that is carbon monoxide, CO. Okay. Next question, question number 5, due to dash property of CO, that is carbon monoxide, is extensively used in the extraction process of iron, that is reduction, that is reducing. Okay. Next question, question number 6, the hardest known naturally occurring substance on earth is, answer, diamond. Okay. Next question, question number 7, charcoal is dash form of carbon, that is an amorphous form. Okay. That is charcoal is amorphous form of carbon. Next question, question number 8, the substance used in the preparation of printer ink is dash, that is lambac, that is the substance used in the preparation of printer ink is lambac. Next question, question number 9, dash is the good absorbent. Okay. Charcoal. Okay. Charcoal is a good absorbent. Okay. Next question, question number 10, dash is a purest form of amorphous carbon, that is sugar charcoal. Sugar charcoal is the purest form of amorphous carbon. Okay. Next question, question number 11, dash gas dissolves in water to form carbonic acid, that is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide gas dissolves in water to form carbonic acid, that is the one type of acid. Now question type, choose the correct answer for each of the following. First question, identify the substance in which carbon exists in the free state. Option 1, cellulose. Option 2, graphite. Option 3, carbon dioxide. Option 4, petroleum. Right answer option 2, graphite. Okay. Next question, question number 2. Identify the amorphous form of carbon, that is option 1 graphite, option 2 fluorine, option 3 lambac, option 4 diamond. The right answer option 3 lambac is the right answer. Okay. Next question, question number 3, identify the substance that is widely used as electrode in batteries. Option 1 graphite, option 2 coke, option 3 lambac, option 4 wood charcoal. That is the right answer option 1, that is graphite is the right answer. Next question, identify the substance that is used to cut glass. Option 1 fluorine, option 2 diamond, option 3 gas carbon, option 4 bone charcoal. That is the right answer option 2 diamond. Next question number 5. Identify the naturally formed amorphous form of carbon from the following. Option A, coal. Option B, that is option 2, gas carbon. Option 3, coke. Option 4, lambac. Right answer option 1, coal. Next question number 7. Which of the following is not a property of fluorine? Option 1, they are ordinary. Which of the following is not property of fluorines? Number 1, they are not odorless. Option 2, they are magnetic in nature. Option 3, they are bad conductors of electricity. Option 4, they are soluble in water. That is, option 4, they are soluble in water. Okay. Next question. Wood charcoal is used in the option 1, purification of water, manufacture of tire, cutting of glass, manufacture of coke. That is the option 1, purification of water is the right answer. Next question. Which of this is not a property of carbon dioxide? That is option 1, supports combustion. Option 2, acidic in nature. Option 3, colorless and odorless gas. Option 4, from dry ice. That is the not property of carbon dioxide is right answer. Option 1, supports combustion. Okay. Next question type. Matching amorphous form of carbon to its relevant use. Number 1, wood charcoal, related to option E, deodorant. Next, 2, animal charcoal, related to D, phosphorus compounds. Next, 3, lambac, related to B, black paint. Next, 4, gas carbon, related to A, electrodes. Next, coke, that is 5, coke, related to C, water gas. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you, students. Please show the next item question, that is the part 2. Okay.